To make your iPhone vibrate in silent mode, first tap on Settings. Scroll until you get to Sound and Haptics. Tap on it. It's fine if silent mode is on, but tap on Haptics. Then choose either Always Play or Play in silent mode. And there's one more step. Tap back twice. Then find Notifications and tap on it. Then scroll down until you get to Phone. Tap on it. And for this to work, Allow Notifications needs to be on. You can even choose the exact vibrate sound by tapping Sounds, then tapping Haptics. Nice work.